Welcome to the video about content curation produced by the project Curry, Content Curation at School, Tools and Methodologies for Teachers. The project Curry provides teachers with tools, procedures, and methodological guidelines to carry out content curation activities at school, supporting them to make students acquire information literacy. In this video we will learn the importance of finding information, verifying its reliability and accuracy, use tags and labels to classify it. To develop content curation, the starting point is the search for information, and consequently the ability to use the tools to search, filter and verify information from reliable and credible sources. Since the amount of easily accessible information rapidly grows both in volume and in complexity, and many old concepts are replaced by new ideas at an ever-increasing rate, we need to learn how to find, identify, follow and update the most relevant sources of information, the resources and editors. Social tools and media offer us the tools to find and filter information, but they do not tell us what is reliable and what is useful. Content curation provides us with a structure, a process, a system and a discipline to help us find and use the most relevant information, giving an added value to the contents. Mitchell Kapoor said, "Getting information from the internet is taking a drink from a fire hydrant." The web as a container of information is configured as a boundless set of resources, texts and documents. The problem is what to look for and how to search, learning to distinguish the relevance and quality of the content. An apparently elementary task like typing a keyword in a field research to find information is actually an advanced skill. We need to become aware of the search criteria and strategies, performing tasks of increasing complexity. To explore resources on the internet, it is necessary to acquire a critical sense, also in consideration of the complexity of the experience that is being carried out in terms of selection, collection and evaluation of the resources themselves. The ability to find information online involves three orders of competences. Search for information, knowing how to orientate yourself in the virtual space using the browser, using the main search engines and their features. Sort, classify, structure and summarize the information obtained. Evaluate the resources according to their relevance, truthfulness, significance, possibility and opportunity of use, quality of the contents. Howard Rheingold gives suggestions to verify information and to detect disinformation and hoaxes. Some tips are the following. Do not stop at a single search. See also the third, fourth and fifth page of search results. Make new requests based on the terms found in the short texts of previous searches. Start skeptical and then, thinking like a detective, verify the information on your behalf. Look for an author, and then do further research starting with that name. If a site makes claims, go find the sources. Try to see what others say about those sources. When you see important news in social media, triangulate. Look for three sources that say the same thing before spreading the word. A fundamental component is tagging. A keyword or term is assigned to a piece of information. This is a new way of aggregating and organizing knowledge. Folksonomy is the system in which users apply public tags to online items to make them easier to find later. It consists in the creation of categorizations by users through the use of keywords, or tags, freely chosen and based on their interests. Without the tag system, the Internet would be a huge archive in which the search for information that interests us would become almost impossible. The attribution of a tag requires a reflection on the content and the use of a classification criterion. It is a form of mental organization, an overview and the attribution of a value to information. This brings into play the cognitive processes of organizing the information needed to attribute meaning to the information gathered. When we make the tagged content available through content curation, we are not only making information available, but we are transmitting to other people the meaning we have attributed to the information itself. From what we have seen so far, content curation can be learned. It takes competencies to search, filter, catalog and publish information. But what are these competencies? Stephen Dale proposes a framework including digital competencies, critical skills and information literacy. Let's see what they are. Traditional literacy: reading, writing, speaking, listening. Information literacy: ability to identify what information is needed and the ability to locate, evaluate and use information. Visual literacy: ability to understand and produce visual messages. Critical literacy: ability to question, challenge, and evaluate the meanings and purposes of texts. Media literacy: ability to question, analyze, interpret, evaluate and create media messages. Tool literacy: ability to use tools to manage, consume and create information. Digital literacy: ability to use digital technology, communication tools and networks to locate, evaluate and create information. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, add a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to know more about content curation, check out all the videos made by the Curry Project. Visit the project website, www.curryproject.net.